Now that you've finished making your single case analysis table, you will have 8 such tables with you if you interviewed 8 different people. But you're not trying to create 8 different apps to cater to the different needs of these different people, right? Therefore, we somehow need to reflect on the similarities and differences from the single case analysis of each of the participants. This is cross case analysis. Here, I'm going to show the cross case analysis of the pre trip process, which this is also a small part of the pre trip process, not the entire part. But the first thing here is the important things to do before going on a trip. So one of the participants went to an international trip here, and the rest traveled domestically, in which four have traveled by road and two by train or aeroplane in their recent travel. So while interviewing, also I tried to focus only on their recent travel, which is why I did not include what all they've traveled or how they've traveled for their other trips as well. So, in this step, I noted down the common points told by participants in each of these divisions. For the international travel, the participant had talked about few important documents and policies and currency. That were some important things that this participant had observed. So, I've noted all of that down here. And for road trip, I've noted down the common points told by each of these four participants, and I've done the similar process for the train or aeroplane as well. One thing to remember here is that, let's say, packed food for emergency was a point told by only participant one and not the rest of the participants. Even though this point is important, but this is the least of the priorities since the other participants have not told me about this. So it's always important to summarize the points that have been told by everyone and are common to everyone. So in the next one here, I try to perform the cross case analysis on how they decide on a place to travel. My answers in the interview from the participants included word of mouth, online reviews, and stories or folk tales of the place. Here, all my 7 participants have told that they relied on word of mouth and online reviews, whereas 4 of the participants have told that they do believe in stories and folk tales of a place, and this motivates them to travel to that place. Now we have a basic summary of each of these processes we have tried to analyze for all the participants in the form of these flowcharts. Now, when you have to proceed with the further steps, we can easily take a glance at the cross case analysis to get an idea of the user behaviors and choices. Right now, for the food platform, we are focusing only on menu navigation and ordering process. But if you have to build an app, you have many processes like tracking the food delivery, payment process, ratings, searching for restaurants, or lodging a complaint, etc. So, in such situations wherein you would have to deal with a lot of information, cross case analysis simplifies things for you. Now, coming to this, here I've further summarized the entire pre-trip process in the form of points under the title called as realizations. So you can do this too if you'd like to, or if you want to do something else, you can do that as well. Now it's your turn. So try taking user interviews for the food ordering platform, focusing on streamlining the menu navigation and simplifying the ordering process, and perform the single and cross case analysis. So this is all about cross case analysis. Thank you.